Hi everyone, how are you doing? Well, if you see that I'm wearing the same thing, the same makeup, this is the third video that I'm going to be doing tonight. Now it is almost 1 a.m., but I wanted to get these videos out because I am behind in my videos. So, if you read from my description, I am going to be unboxing my Zodiac box. Now, I don't know how I feel about this. I am on the fence. I did open it last month. I will leave that video up here in the cards and down below. I don't know why I keep getting blurry. Let's see if it will focus. Let's see. There we go. And this is an expensive box. This is like $39.95 every month, and they first launched in April, and I thought, oh my god, that's great. April is my birth date. I figure it's a brand new subscription, but the first month that they launched, they had some shipping problems. It is with your Zodiac, so I am an Aries, so I feel that, so everything in this box has to do with Aries. Here is Nala. She's doing better. Let's see if she comes up. Come on. Come here. She knows she's not allowed up here, so she won't come up. Anyway, so everything in the box is supposed to do with Aries every month, and what happened was people were getting like the wrong signs, so they stopped everything. They had to redo whatever they did, and I didn't get my first month's box until May, and for April's box. But then what they did was they titled it May instead of April, so they were kind of a little shady about that because that was supposed to be for April. So this is the June box, and it is late in the month that I did get this, but they don't start shipping, I think, till around the 25th of every month. And like I said, it's expensive, and I wasn't really impressed with the things that we got for $40. But then again, I really don't know a lot about this stuff. I just thought it would be kind of cool. So let me see. I didn't want to go by the first box since they just launched. Let's see what's in here. I really don't know what's in here. I haven't opened it up, and that's what it looks like. So let's see. So you get this little pamphlet, and here where it says June 2018, that's how my last month's box came. And then it just tells you everything about Aries, what's in the box. I don't really want to look at that. It has a little horoscope. So, and then that's what it looks like right there. So let's take these squiggly things out. The first thing I see is a really big in here. It looks like it might be like a little mug, so that's good. And here's Nala being nosy, because I have 2 subscription boxes I need to unbox with her, so she's waiting patiently, but I'm not going to do it tonight. So, oh, this is so nice. It has the Aries on here. That is really nice. Now, I do like that. Made in China. That's nice. So, and it's not broke, and it did come pretty good. So, let's see what else. This is on top. Let's see what this is. These are really nice bags. It's like velvet. And, what is this? What the heck is this? So, moons and everything. If you ever watch Manny MUA and you see he has the moons and everything because he has the Aries. So, I don't know. That's kind of, what is this? Let me open it up and see what that is. And I don't like that it doesn't come with prices. So this is a terracotta moon phase wall art, handmade by Sage and Stone Company. So I guess if you could have got like 3, you know, that's how it looks. I don't know. So you'd put this on the wall like that. So maybe I'll put that on my bedroom. I don't know how I feel about that. And I don't know the price, so. The next thing we got comes in this. This is nice. The bags are nice. Okay, what is this? Oh, this is a little stone. So I think every month you get like a little stone. And what is this? This says this is the moonstone. And it says moonstone is associated with the moon and a stone of institution and insight. It helps to balance emotions, especially any aggressive tendencies. Okay. As it is very soothing and helps to relieve stress. And then it goes on and on. It's long if you want to screenshot that or put it on pause and read it for yourself. It's very, very small, but I will read up on it. I think last month I got like Jasper or something like that. All right. The next thing I got is What is this? What is this? Oh, like I guess a little match thing, because it has matches in here as a strike here. This is an astronomy matches by Scheme Design. Okay, moving on. A couple more things in here. So this is a 2008 lunar calendar. And it's just a cheap cardboard thing. All right, what else do we have? So then we have this. It's hard to get this open, sorry guys. This says, healing stone set for each of the moon's phases, new wanting full and waxing. I don't know. Maybe it's just because I don't know too much. Oh, here's a bunch of stones here. So we have a lot of stones. That's not on here, so I don't know. I guess it tells you what everything is. I'll put that here if you guys want to read that. And then here tells you what each stone is. The only thing is, like, there's a quartz, a tiger's eye, a blue. I don't know which is which. I would have to look it up because it doesn't have like a picture on it. So you have that. And like I said, maybe I just don't know what this stuff means. Why do I have like matches? You know, because I don't see anything that you would light. Okay. And then we have a little necklace. Okay, so that's cute. I do like that. It's like a little moon, and it's a necklace. I do like this. They do ask you when you sign up. It's like a little survey. Now, this has $20 on here. It does have the price tag on that. It'll ask you, what do you like better? Like 1 to 3, silver, gold, and rose gold, and you put them in order. It does ask you what size your shirt is, if they want to send you a shirt. So they, you know, what, $40, okay. And that is everything in the box. I do like the necklace. Last month we got a necklace too. I thought it was nice. I do like that. I just have to read out, what does moon mean with Aries, because I really don't know. Well, this says moon signs. So I guess right here will tell you how to find your moon sign. So I will read more into this. Maybe I should have opened it up before I did this box so I can let you guys know. But why do I need how do you say astronomy matches? Why? I don't know. Maybe you're supposed to do something with this. Comment down below if you know. Is there something to do with these matches? I don't know. And I got a bunch of stones, and that could mean something. I don't know. And then I got this wall art. I mean, for $40 and this cardboard thing, calendar. I don't know, guys. Let me know in the comments below. What do you think of this box? Oh, we got the mug. I do like the mug. And it says Aries. I do like that. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below. What do you think of this box? Do you think it's worth $40? I don't. I think this will be the last box that I get. But let me know what you think. And maybe you can help me out and let me know more. Maybe I'm just ignorant to the subject that I don't know. Alright guys, don't forget I do have a 5K going on. I will leave it up here and down below if I haven't said that before, because it is late at night and I am tired now. I want to wipe this makeup off and go to bed. But yeah, so please like this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. It would mean absolutely the world to me. I'm trying to get to 10K for our channel so we can have another giveaway. But yeah, let me know. Comment down below. And until my next video. Bye, guys.